Key benefits of white chickpeas. Nutrient powerhouse. White chickpeas are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. High fiber content. Just 1 cup of white chickpeas provides nearly 50% of your daily fiber needs, promoting healthy digestion and heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Rich in plant-based protein. They are an excellent source of protein, especially for vegetarians and vegans, making them a great alternative to meat. Heart health. The high fiber content in chickpeas helps reduce cholesterol levels and regulates blood pressure, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Weight management. The combination of protein and fiber in chickpeas keeps you full longer, helps control appetite, and supports weight management. Blood sugar control. With a low glycemic index, chickpeas help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a smart choice for those managing diabetes. Bone strength packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chickpeas support strong bones and help prevent osteoporosis. Boosts digestion. The high fiber content aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and supports overall gut health by acting as a prebiotic. Enhances skin health rich in antioxidants, chickpeas help maintain healthy, glowing skin and combat the signs of aging. Improves energy levels. Chickpeas provide sustained energy due to their balanced mix of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Supports mental health. Key nutrients like folate and magnesium in chickpeas promote mental well-being and help manage stress and anxiety. Versatile and delicious white chickpeas can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to curries and snacks, making them a versatile superfood that enhances both flavor and nutrition. Conclusion. Adding white chickpeas to your regular diet can lead to significant improvements in overall health, including better digestion, heart health, weight management, and sustained energy. Join the conversation. Let us know how you incorporate chickpeas into your meals and what benefits you've noticed in your health. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our next video on healthy eating tips that can transform your lifestyle. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health and wellness videos. Your journey to better health starts here.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share.